We'll repair texture of your popcorn ceiling faster and cheaper anywhere in the Greater Vancouver, BC. Call Handyman Chuck now 778-938-9883. The most common problem or danger, I should say, to the popcorn ceiling is leaks and moisture in general, which causes the texture to detach from the drywall and to peel off. Over the years we have seen various DIY projects that went wrong and made the ceiling look real bad. Call us now and we will fix the problem. It all. Wall, ceiling, and floor repairs. Painting and plastering. Kitchen and bathroom tiling. Drywalling. Interior and exterior design. Residential and commercial renovations. Emergency home, house, and property repairs. Wall, ceiling, and door repairs. Kitchen, bathroom, closet, and basement renovations. Windows and doors. Home Reno Deals Canada. Ask us about home, business, or rental unit. Renovations, repairs, painting, plastering, tiling, building and design deals. Call us now at 778-938-9883.